Hi, quick question today. Have you ever been told no to funding even when you knew you were ready? I have. Let me share a little story with you today. At 19, I had a suitcase trade. That means I was an entrepreneur way back in the way back. I used to travel from Trinidad to Venezuela every month, fill a suitcase or two, bring it back to Trinidad, and resell. However, while I had the vision, I didn't have the roadmap. I didn't have a mentor. And of course, I had no access to capital. So it didn't last. But let me tell you something. The system still, even now, the system still looks at Black and Caribbean women as high risk. They call us risky. But here's the truth. We have been managing money since time immemorial because most of the households in the Caribbean are female headed. We therefore have been stretching dollars into dynasties. So, therefore, the lie is that we cannot handle capital, that we cannot handle money. So that's why part one of my four-part series, Breaking Barriers, the Stress Stack for Black and Caribbean women and How We Rise, will deal with that lie. And it starts with the capital gap. In it, I'm going to show you how to move from quote unquote risky to ready. It drops on October the 13th. I hope that you'll enjoy it. Of course, as usual, it will be live on my newsletter. Here's the thing. The expanded version will also be on in my Substack account, and you can also look out for it on my blog, my website blog. So I want us to have this conversation. So before it rolls out, feel free to drop in any questions or any comments.